So I'm just leaving my hotel room that costs $26.15 for the night because of my American Express travel credit. I'm going to share exactly how that all worked out in this video.
I just got back from a weekend away in Quebec City, one of the oldest cities in North America, and a great place I think everyone needs to visit. We mainly spent our time in Old Quebec, where the French built a fortified city, and it almost feels like you're in Europe. In fact, when I posted some photos on Instagram, I had lots of people message me thinking I was actually there. The streets are lined with cafes, every corner you go around is an incredible view, and the food is so good. One of the days we were in Old Quebec was especially busy because the Queen Mary 2, the world's only active ocean liner which eventually replaced the Titanic sailing between Southampton, England and New York City, was important. This was my second trip to Quebec City in the last year, and I did all the touristy things last time, so this trip was more about enjoying what Old Quebec had to offer while not breaking the bank, and that's where the American Express travel credit comes in. This is a feature offered through the Amex Platinum or Business Platinum cards, where you receive a $200 credit when you book flights, hotels, and car rentals using the American Express travel portal. So how does it work? The first thing to make sure is that you actually have a card that qualifies for the Amex travel credit. So that means you are working with the premium cards that American Express offers, like the Platinum or Business Platinum cards. You can also check out the Business Gold cards depending on where you live to see if that qualifies or not. And yes, these do come with typically a high annual fee, but I really believe that they can be worth it if you take advantage of the offers and the other benefits. So take a few minutes to see what the benefits of each card are, the annual fee, and most importantly, how many benefits you would actually use and whether or not it makes sense for you financially. If you're interested in learning more about what those benefits are, I've left a link below for you to check out, which helps you help the channel, or you can just like the video, and thanks for watching. So this is possible with the Platinum Series cards from American Express. Whether you're in Canada, whether you're in the US, you're able to take advantage of the $200 travel credit, and I use the American Express Business Platinum card for a variety of different reasons. To take advantage and use the credit, there are 3 simple steps. Step 1 is to visit the American Express Travel Online website to book flights, hotels, or even a rental car. So I logged on to the website and I was able to see a variety of different hotel options that best suited my needs. Step 2 is to make a booking to the full value of your travel credit or more and select the travel credit at checkout. In my case, my booking was $226.15 and I stayed at a Marriott property. Step 3 was to pay for your booking using the eligible, and that's really important, the eligible American Express card, and the credit is going to show up in your account within 3 business days. I was charged $226.15, and that credit showed up really quickly, so my room only cost me $26.15 total. So using the credit was actually way easier than I thought it would be, and it was super simple, super fast, but in the past, I've forgotten to use it. So there's been some years where I didn't take advantage of this feature, even though essentially my annual fee was giving me access to that. So to make sure that I use it every year going forward, I've already set a reminder in my calendar by about November 1st. And basically, if I haven't used it yet, that reminder pops up and I'm going to make sure I use it before it expires. And the travel credit is a big part of making sure that you make the most out of those high annual fees that the Personal Platinum and the Business Platinum are going to charge you. So make sure you use it every year. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it helped. Please drop your questions, click the like button, and subscribe if you want to learn how you can upgrade your mindset, money, and more.